that might be the most embarrassing rugby performance you will ever see. And it's a sad day because it's my team that got smashed. Stormers losing to Glasgow Warriors 36 points to 18 at Scottstown. And we just got absolutely railed. I swear the boys that were wearing the blue were informants from Glasgow. Because the way that we played this game, right, you could have just as well said everyone just played for Glasgow. The best South African rugby player on the field played for Glasgow, Kyle Steyn, right? The only Stormers guys that actually pitched up, Paul de Villiers, right, youngster, and Siabelo Sudatla. Everyone else just absolutely stank it out from start to finish. The Stormers' defense was rinse and repeat. I don't know if we forgot it in Cape Town or where it is, but it sure as hell wasn't in fucking Scotland, right? Because they just kept on going around our wings like they had a 15-man overlap. It was out of this world. This game, if you, even in neutral, and you watch the Stormers game, you're like, how did they even make it to the quarterfinal? Right? You think we got knocked out by these guys last season in the quarterfinal. Surely they're going to pitch up. We start off pretty decent. How many kicks did we give with 0 chasers? Not a single chaser. Explained. Our lineouts, I swear Glasgow celebrates the fact that we get a lineout because they know they're getting the ball back. You know what the worst part of it all is? The fact that we were so shit, yet had so many opportunities to the extent where we could have actually won this game. But by the famous words of Mark Goldbridge, we couldn't even score even if we were in a brothel. This was... I have no words to describe this. This was probably the toughest watch I have ever and will ever do of a rugby game.